Hi everyone, my name is Revati, Assistant Professor, Department of Artificial Intelligence and Data Science, Ramco Institute of Technology. Today we are discussing about some of the topics under operating system. First of all, we are discussed about what is operating system and what are all the functions and objectives of operating system. So, this is the basic definition of operating system. The operating system acts as a bridge between the user of a computer system and a computer hardware. All the applications required programs to utilize the computer hardware are located on top of the operating system. These are all the following of the main objectives of an operating system: efficiency, hardware abstraction, convenience, and system resource management. So let us see one by one. The first one is efficiency. The operating system increases the production efficiency. This is because the system configuration takes less time. By default, the operating system handles system tasks such as allocating resources to processes and resolving conflicts between different programs and users. This saves the user time and results in a more efficient result. The next one is hardware abstraction. The operating system performs a good job of hide the computer's complex details. The user can fully utilize the computer hardware without having to manage with the accompanying difficulties. The operating system coordinates communication between user programs and operating hardware. So, the third objective is convenience. In the absence of an operating system, users would have to deal with the hardware directly without access to the pre configured utility packages that come with an operating system. This would make using a computer extremely inconvenient. Operating systems allow users to go right to work on the tasks they want to do without dealing with the burden of setting up the system beforehand. The final one is system resource management. The operating system serves as a neutral arbitrator. It serves a management role in a computer system by ensuring equal resource distribution among various operations and consumers. So far, we have discussed the objectives of the operating system. Let's go over the functions of operating system. The primary functions of an operating system are process management, memory management, file systems management, device management, and security, then privacy. An operating system is a piece of hardware that allows us to utilize or work with computer systems. It organizes and controls the various components of a computer system and ensures that they all work together. It serves as a link between the computer and ourselves. The major functions of operating system are as follows. First one is processor management. In a multi-programming environment, the operating system determines which processors receive processor time along with its duration for execution. For management of the processor, an operating system performs the following tasks. The task one is the operating system maintains of the processors and process status. The next task is the operating system assigns a processor to a process. Then the last task is when a process is no longer needed, it deallocates the processor. Next function is device management. In the device communication managed by the operating systems through their drivers. It performs the following device administration tasks: tracks all of our own gadgets. The input and output controller is the program in charge of this function. Determines when and for how long each process receives the device. The operating system allocates the device in the most effective manner possible. It deallocates devices in the most effective way possible, increasing efficiency. In OS, the term memory can be defined as a collection of data in a specific format. Memory management refers to the control of the primary or main memory. For the management of memory, an operating system performs the following tasks. Operating system keeps track of what parts of primary memory are in use by whoever and what parts are not. Each process allocation of memory is determined by the operating system. Then, when a process seeks memory, the operating system allocates it. And when a process no longer requires memory or has been terminated, it deallocates it. Next one is file management. A file system is organized into directories. These directories include files and other directives. For file management, an operating system performs the following tasks: data, location, users, and status are all tracked. The collective capabilities are frequently referred to as the file system. Who gets the resources is decided by the operating system. It both allocates and deallocates the resources when they are no longer required. Then the security. In the security management, the operating system protects applications and data from illegal process. The operating system governs access to the entire system and individual system resources on shared or public systems. The next function is error detection. In this function, operating system can handle error detection and correction through various mechanisms. During the execution of programs, a number of errors might occur. Examples include internal and external hardware faults such as a memory error or a device failure or malfunction, and numerous software errors. In each situation, the operating system must respond in such a way that the error condition is cleared with the least amount of damage to ongoing programs. The other functions of operating systems are accounting jobs and controlling system performance. The accounting jobs operating system maintains track of the amount of time and resources different jobs and users. This information is useful in anticipating future developments of the system to improve the performance of any system, and it can also be utilized for task accounting. Then the controlling system performing function will gather consumption statistics for various resources and monitor performance metrics such as response time and recording delays between service requests and system responses. Thank you.